Our top story tonight at 6, Governor Brian Kemp lifts the state's remaining COVID restrictions. 41 NBC's Ariel Schiller has reaction from local health experts and shows us how some businesses are responding.
Even though Governor Kemp lifted COVID restrictions, businesses like Felicia's Cake Factory say they're still going to follow pandemic guidelines.
Felicia Howard is the owner of Felicia's Cake Factory. She also works as a respiratory therapist. She says she was shocked when she heard Governor Kemp lifted COVID restrictions.
I feel like it's a little too soon to completely lift all restrictions, given that they're just now getting an opportunity to get more and more people vaccinated.
Howard says they'll ask bakery guests to continue wearing masks. If you don't have a mask, they can provide one for you. If you choose not to wear a mask, they also provide curbside service.
We want to keep everyone in our facility safe as well as my family safe.
The new executive order eliminates the gathering ban and the shelter-in-place requirements. It also reduces any remaining distance requirements. Public Information Officer for the North Central Health District, Michael Hawkinson, says just because restrictions are lifted doesn't mean the pandemic is over.
It's important to still keep in mind protecting yourself and others, even if you might not be in an environment where the proprietor of the environment, the owner of the business, etc., is putting up any kind of specific protections.
Hawkinson urges businesses to provide some level of protection against the virus to their customer base. Also, he says it's imperative to think about your own health and the health of others when going about your daily life.
You shouldn't knock people for still wanting to comply with these orders because they might be in a situation different than yours. They might be in a situation where they're providing care for an elderly or an immunocompromised person. They want their environment to be safe from COVID-19.
Howard says her biggest concern is another outbreak, especially with the discovery of COVID-19 variants.
We need to be still mindful that we're still in the middle of a pandemic and still trying to remain safe while we're still out trying to enjoy life as well.
In Macon, Ariel Schiller, 41 NBC News.
And the North Central Health District says COVID testing is still available if you need it. The district is encouraging people to get tested.